guys, welcome to another after-work drift event of ours. As you can probably tell, it's fucking cold. It's like 2 degrees Celsius. We had some snow here today. Nevertheless, people are having fun. As you can see, some cars around here, BMWs, Nissans, the usual suspects. Everybody's having a good time. Best place is in the car. I'll try to give you some onboard videos, some footage from onboard. I'll see how I'll mount the camera and I'll show you around. I guess by now you'll know. So let's dive into the action. So guys, final minutes of our after-work drift event. November. Guys are still rocking hard. Some nice trains with 5 cars out there. Unfortunately, no onboard videos. I'll see if I get some from the guys. We'll see. I hope you liked it. I'm looking very much forward to our December event. Will be our Christmas challenge, so it should be good fun there with some extra flavor. Oh, sorry guys, some extra flavor. In the meantime, if you need anything, some Christmas presents for your loved ones, member card, vouchers, parts, cars, event vouchers, whatever, hit us up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Sorry guys, they're going crazy. 4 of them in the car. So yeah, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I hope to see you soon. Yeah, that's a wrap. Bye bye.